Western brands are very much dominant in almost every place. But in China, a lot of people they really love to wear Western brands, and in China, every corner is filled with many luxury outlets and luxury malls. But in China, LV had launched their exhibition ship or a giant ship, which is amazing. And today we are in Shanghai and we want to see that. Inside their exhibition ship, they have a cafe and they have a kind of art gallery where you can see all the pictures, the paintings, or sort of their history of their brand, that how they started and the early things that they were having back in the days. So today we booked a ticket for that just to get inside. We could see it from outside in time, but we wanted to get inside and see how this brand established $1 billion company. And we booked it, but we booked the last spot in the evening. But we want to check inside a bit earlier, but I'm not sure whether they would allow at that time or whether they would allow us a bit earlier. So we're just getting here and we want to see and talk to the front desk whether they would help us or whether we would need to wait for that. How beautiful these buildings are, and they are so historical. And this place is very famous as well. They've got a lot of different outlets in here. So it is so hot, but still a lot of people are just here and they want to take part in everything almost, yeah. And Starbucks they have a reserve roastery here in Shanghai as well. And it is just right in front of me. But I want to show you the LV shape. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing. Got close to it. Wow, it looks so amazing. I'm wondering how beautiful it will be looking from inside. That is the front desk ahead, but just look at that queue. It is perhaps the longest queue I've ever seen. And I just want to find the place where I can ask the information about that, whether we can get inside a bit earlier or not. I'm not sure where it is. Well, look at this giant ship. It's amazing. He helped us and we booked the new tickets. They canceled our previous reservation, which was in the evening, and they've got the QR code over there. So we scanned the new QR code because online, when you would book for the same day, the tickets were sold out for the next 2 days as well. But right now, we booked and we got it. So we thought rather than coming back in the evening, it's much better that we are here. So we get inside right now. So we are in the line. And let's see, we just get inside now and we can see it. I just can't believe how magical it looks. Oh, the design and everything looks so stunning. And they are real bags. I was thinking they might be some portraits or some things, but actually they are real bags. This is the most important part, that where they put their history and their portraits and sort of things. Wow, this is really amazing. I can't believe how aesthetic and look. I just really don't know what is it, but I can just say the exhibition and their whatever the design is. I have no words to express it. Just look at those designs. These are only the early monograms and sort of things. Yeah, from 1928, and these are the perfumes. Now we're just heading to their testing center. Just look at that. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. I just can't believe what is going on here. And these are sort of the new exhibitions and centers, exhibition center, and this is where they're working on things like these robots sort of things. Look at this. Is better than the previous one, and this one is specifically for the sport. Every part is amaze us. Another part. Look at this. This seems like their store, but from this part, it seems like we're in the LV store. But I'm not sure is there anything for sale or not. But God, this was insanely amazing, and we saw a lot of different things, and they showcased almost everything they've gone through, the history, and even we saw their first bags, which was decades ago they made it, but it was still there, and they showcased it because nowadays if you go to LV or the website or the shops, you cannot find it, right? But they were really antique, and they were not for sale, but just to show the history about the LV. In front of us is Starbucks Reserve for that tree, so we gotta go there and let's see. Experience here at this Starbucks Reserve is amazing, and I can explain. We've got the history here, and even we saw the live. I mean, just like you can have a sitting like a bar, and they can brew the fresh coffee for you, and it's amazing. But it's insanely packed, and they've got two, three portions, and everywhere it's really hard to find a seat. Let me just take you to one of the craziest and one of the famous water bakery here in Shanghai. From here, and their baguettes are insanely famous, especially with the berries. They've got some walnuts, so we've got this one. Yeah, there it is. They've got some walnuts, and inside they've got different flavors: vanilla, strawberry, and blueberries. But this one, I think this is blueberry. And we're waiting for the drink side, but just ordered. And oh, this is a cheesecake, I think. But this is a seems like a cheese bun or cheese bread cake. Yeah, we just need to try this one. Oh, so strong. I'm gonna be the first to give it a shot. It's amazing. Awesome. This is very historical street, and this is the famous fashion street of Shanghai. And you can see many brands at this row, and many restaurants, and even many bakeries. Look at Adidas, and look at these. But all these restaurants and the places are pretty much old.